So I often tiptoe to get things from the higher shelves, and every time I do that, I always amazed how strong this muscle and the gastrocnemius are to lift my entire weight up against gravity. And this muscle has another important job, and I'm going to talk about it a little later. This muscle is often tight when people complain about discomfort or pain in the knee, the calf, or the ankle. And when you get the hyper-irritable spot, aka trigger point, it can cause pain like this. So this muscle's origin is the top part of the leg bone, and it inserts to the heel bone. And the soleus tendon is also the part of the Achilles tendon, the famous one, right? And when this muscle contracts, it makes us tiptoe. And another important job I mentioned in the beginning of this video is to pump the blood back to the heart. So in Japan, we call it the calf is second heart, and that's the reason for it. So please make sure the origin and the insertion of this muscle, and let's stretch it. I'm gonna show you the two different ways. Sitting on the floor with knee bent, move your toe towards your body. Stand behind your support such as wall or chair. One leg behind, knee slightly bent, and push the heel down to the floor. So these are just examples, and as long as you move the top part of the leg bone and then the heel bone away from each other, you stretch this muscle properly. And here's a pro tip. The difference between the gastroc and then soleus stretch is the knee joint. Soleus, you don't need to straighten the knee because this muscle doesn't pass the knee joint. So make sure you follow the back stretch steps, scan the whole body, and feel what the targeted muscle feels like and an other part of the body feels like. And stretch by contracting opposed muscle because you want to strengthen this muscle, right? And make sure you listen to your body carefully. And after you feel stretch or release, scan the whole body again. And don't forget to record what you find from the stretch on the body map. And for your convenience, I made a video that you can do back stretch with me. But please understand it only holds in a position for 90 seconds, which can't be the exact length your body wants. So please respect your body's request. If it wants to stop beforehand, then stop it. If it wants to keep going, keep going. So please respect its needs, not me. Alright, you are good to go. Happy releasing!